In the first lecture we have seen about the projection of square. In the second lecture we have seen about the projection of pentagonal plane. Now we'll see one more problem which is related to projection of plane. In this problem, see hexagonal plane of 40 mm size. It is resting on one of its corner on the VP. Now in the earlier problem it was rest on HP. Now in this problem it is rest on VP on one of its corner. Diagonal is diagonal. Passing through that corner is inclined to VP by 45 degree, and the same diagonal, front view of same diagonal is inclined to HP by 40 degree. So like this the problem is given. तो ये प्रॉब्लम मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में पूरा प्रॉब्लम दे दिया है, आप वो रेफर कर सकते हैं. पूरा प्रॉब्लम दैट इज एंटायर प्रॉब्लम इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट. So this is the summary of this problem. So this hexagonal plane, it means in the first position one of the view will be hexagon. So in which view it will be hexagon? कौन से व्यू में हेक्सागन आएगा, फ्रंट व्यू और टॉप व्यू? फॉर दैट say this, it is resting on one of its corner on VP. So it is rest on VP. VP पे रेस्ट है, right? So VP पे रेस्ट है, इसका मतलब क्या है? We are considering that it is fully rest on VP. VP पे पूरा रेस्ट है, ऐसा हम कंसिडर करेंगे. अगर ये VP पे पूरा रेस्ट है तो क्या होगा? फ्रंट व्यू में, इन द फ्रंट व्यू इट विल अपीयर एज अ हेक्सागन. फ्रंट व्यू में हेक्सागन आएगा इस प्रॉब्लम में. And it is resting on VP on one of its corner. So we'll take on the left side of this, we'll take the corner. So this is the XY line. Draw the this XY line first. Then as this plane is resting on VP, that's why hexagon will appear in the front view. And it is resting on corner, that's why we take on the left side the corner. So the hexagon will be like this, and the size of the hexagon is 40 mm. So start from here. You know how to draw this. It is like this. Draw the side first, then take this much distance, draw arc on this side. This side you will get the center. Using that center draw the circle and you will get the hexagon. यहाँ पे मैं डायरेक्टली ड्रॉ करता हूँ. So this is the hexagon. Assign the point name to this. Say A, B, C, D, E, F. आप कौन से भी नाम दे सकते हैं. You can assign the point name as a P, Q, R, S, T or anything that you want. So assign the point name to this. Now project this all those points in the top view. I see it is resting on. We consider in the first step we consider that it is resting on VP. VP पे consider कर रहे हैं कि रेस्ट हो रहा है. तो इसका टॉप व्यू क्या आएगा? एज व्यू आएगा. And that edge will be on XY line. XY line पे edge आएगा. So take all this projection in the top view like this, and draw your edge. ये edge आ गया. This is A. Now assign the point name to this. As point name assign करना है. Here there is a A. It means this will be A1. This is a B and F. So this will be B1 and F1. This is a C and E, so this will be C1 and E1. This is a D, so this will be D1. So assign the point name to all these points. ये सब फर्स्ट स्टेप हमने कंप्लीट कर दिया. उसके बाद क्या दिया है? See, diagonal inclined to VP 45 degree. What is that? Does it mean? Diagonal passing through that corner on which we are going to rest this plane. ये plane जहाँ पे भी रेस्ट करना है उस कॉर्नर से गया हुआ diagonal inclined to VP by 45 degree. So we are going to rest this plane on A. So ये ऐसा करने वाले हम, नीचे लेने वाले, इसका मतलब A पे रेस्ट हो गए. और A में से जाने वाला डायगोनल कौन सा है? The diagonal is AD. This hexagon is having three diagonals: AD, FC, CF, and BE. Like this, three diagonals are there, and the diagonal passing through that corner is AD. So AD को हमें incline करना है. यहाँ पे टॉप व्यू में AD देखिए कहाँ पे है? This is the AD. This one is the AD. So ये AD incline करना है. So at certain distance, plot one point and assign the point name this as a A1. A1 इसको नाम देते हैं. S जो नाम है यहाँ पे, यही आप यहाँ पे देंगे A1. And that inclination is 45 degree. So mark here 45 degree angle. यहाँ पे मैंने 45 degree angle plot कर दिया. 45 degree angle, right? Then take this distance in compass from A to A1 to D1. take this distance in compass, put point on A1, cut here. You will get D1 here, right? Then make this thick. Line हमें thick करना है. Then take A1 to B1 F1 distance in compass. Put point on A1, intersect here. You will get B1 F1. Then take A1 to C1 E1 distance in compass and intersect here. You will get the C1 and E1. C1 and E1. Like this, you will get this position. Now, take all this projection in the front view. Front view में position लेना है इसका. Like this, and transfer these projections for the next view. यहाँ पर से ये portion यहाँ पे आ गया. Like this. Now see, here there is A, here there is A. At the intersection of these two, here it will be A2. B is here there is a B. So यहाँ पे आ गया B2. C, यहाँ पे आ गया C2. D, यहाँ पे D, यहाँ पे आ गया D2. This is E, here there is E. It will be E2. And F. At the intersection of this, it will get to F. Like this, you will get all those points. Then join this. ये join कर दीजिए. So this is the second step of this problem. This is the first step. Here what we consider? We consider that this plane is fully rested on VP as it is resting on VP. And in the second step what we consider? That this plane is inclined to VP only and parallel to perpendicular to HP like this. Now we make the second inclination, and that second inclination is same diagonal, that is AD, same diagonal, but it's front view. It's front view inclined to HP by 40 degree. Front view मतलब क्या है? ये लाइन नहीं है, ये लाइन इंक्लाइंड है. कितना डिग्री में है? 40 डिग्री. तो यहाँ पे AD कौन सा है? ये AD है. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? 40 डिग्री फर्स्ट मार्क करेंगे. यहाँ से mark your 40 degree angle like this, or you can draw a small horizontal line here and make it inclination. Make the inclination 40 degree here. 40 degree यहाँ पे हम plot करेंगे ऐसे. Then on this we are going to take this AD diagonal. AD diagonal लेना है. तो ये देखिए यहाँ पे A है. देखिए यहाँ पे A है, यहाँ पे D. तो we can rotate it like this also and like this also, right? But now we rotate like this. So A will be here. यहाँ पे A हम यहाँ पे plot करेंगे. This will be A2, right? Then take A2 to D2 distance in compass. A2 to D2 compass में ले लिए. A2 पे compass का point रख के यहाँ पे cut कर दीजिए. This will be D2. Okay? Then take A2 to B2 distance in compass. Now do you remember? ध्यान में रखिए. A2 to B2, A2 to F2, E2 to D2 and D2 to C2. All these distances are same. ये चारों distance same रहते हैं. That's why take A2 to B2 distance in compass. Put point on A2. Draw arc on this side. Put point on D2. Draw arc on this side and this side like this. Okay. Then take A2 to C2 distance in compass. And here also do remember. ध्यान में रखिए. A2 to C2, A2 to E2, D2 to B2, D2 to F2. All these distances are same. That's why take A2 to C2 distance in compass. Put point on A2, intersect here. Put point on D2, intersect here. You will get all 6 points. Then join this. Okay. Now what is important in this? In here, important is in this is to assign the point name to this, because see A2 D2 is here, so you can assign A2 B2 C2 D2 E2 F2, or you can assign A2 B2 C2 D2. both conditions is possible, दोनों condition possible है, लेकिन जो भी यहाँ पे नेम है वही नेम हमें यहाँ पे देना है. तो कैसा हो देखिए, अगर कंसिडर कीजिए, एज्यूम कीजिए आप A2 पे स्टैंड है, यू आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन A2 एंड लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स D की तरफ देख रहे हैं, A2 पे स्टैंड है. तो B कौन सी डायरेक्शन में है? A2 पे खड़ा रह के D2 को देखा तो B कौन से लेफ्ट में आता है. तो यहाँ पर भी A2 पे खड़ा रह के D2 पे देखेंगे तो B कहाँ पे आना चाहिए, लेफ्ट पे. तो दिस विल बी B2, C2, D2, E2 and F2. So like this assign the point names. Now project all these points for the top view. You will get the point like this and take the projection from this view also. इस व्यू से और इस व्यू से हमने प्रोजेक्शन ले लिया. सो यहाँ पे ये A है, here there is A at the intersection of these two. See, this is the projection, this one is the projection, this will be A3. Then here there is a B, this is the B, this will be B3. Then here there is C, this is the C, C3. Then D, this is the D, D3. E, E3. Then F is here, and here there is a F. Here there is a F. So this is the F3. So like this, assign all these points. Assign all the points, and then join this. ये join कर दीजिए. So this is the top view of this plane. Front view, top view. And this is our final answer. ये हमारा final answer है. But to draw this final answer, we need to carry out these two steps. ये दोनों step हमें करना ही होता है. So like this, we can solve this problem in 3 steps. So remember, in the last problem and this problem, difference between last problem and this problem. In the last problem, the plane was resting on HP. That's why we draw this plane in the top view first. HP में रेस्ट था, इसलिए हम top view में पहले draw करते किया था. अभी इस problem में ये VP पे रेस्ट है, that's why we draw this in front view first. So like this you can solve this problem. Coming lecture में हम इससे थोड़ा सा different type का problem देखेंगे. और अगर आपको कोई इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो कमेंट करना मत भूलिए, और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को, शेयर कर दीजिए वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिए. थैंक यू.